Kids Wonder Playhouse.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. I'm a clever teapot, watch me go. Pouring tea fast and nice and slow. With the cup and saucer, I'm the star. Tea time's the best, no matter where you are. I went to the garden, sunny and bright. Flowers bloomed and danced in the light. A butterfly landed right on my spout, tickling me gently, oh what a shout. Tip, turn, spin about. Pour the tea and hear me shout. Sing along, let's have some fun. Teapot adventures for everyone. Along came a kettle, shiny and new. Let's make some tea, just me and you. Together we bubbled, together we steamed. The best tea party you've ever dreamed. A teacup train came rolling by. Hop on board, let's reach the sky. Through fields of sugar and rivers of cream. Tea time adventures felt like a dream. Tip, turn, spin about. Pour the tea and hear me shout. Sing along, let's have some fun. Teapot adventures for everyone. When the stars came out and the day grew dim, I rested beside the sugar tin. With dreams of tea and laughter so bright, I whispered softly, good night, good night. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Making tea is what I'm all about. Come back tomorrow, we'll play again. The teapot adventure will never end.